Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Gmail notifications not working on Android. It's very simple and easy. Watch full video so you don't miss out any important step. First of all, scroll down from the top and make sure that do not disturb mode is disabled, and second one is the ultra power mode, which is a power saving mode, and make sure that this is also disabled. After that, open Gmail on your mobile phone and tap on hamburger menu on the top left corner. Scroll to the bottom and you will see settings. Tap on it. In the settings, tap on general settings. Then you will see manage notifications option. So tap on it. Here make sure that allow notifications toggle button is turned on. Then you have to go back to the settings and select the Gmail account for which you want to enable notifications. After selecting the account, you will see this notifications option, so tap on it and make sure that all option is selected. After this, your problem will be fixed. But if you are still facing the same problem, then you have to tap and hold on the Gmail application. You will see app info option. Tap on it. Here first select mobile data and Wi-Fi and make sure that these two options are enabled. Then you have to go back and select battery. Here you will see unrestricted, so tap on it to select it, then go back, and after that tap on storage and cache. Here clear cache from the bottom right side, then your problem will be fixed. And this is how you can fix Gmail notifications not working on Android.